Hey there again, followers. It's Jonathan Tuan Tran. Chào tất cả. Tôi tên là Tuấn. Hôm nay mình dùng Microsoft Word của Microsoft Office on Windows 10 PC laptop. Hôm nay mình dùng cái Justify ở bên mình đang ở bên phía trái mà mình muốn bỏ cái tên như cái ngày tháng như cái tên của cái San Jose Public Library, all of this content information on the right side. So what we can do is highlight. Mình dùng cái mouse, you hit the left button or dùng cái button của phía trái, you mình select nguyên cái hàng này. You can select align right. You can align it to the center, align it to the left, or align it to the right. So let's click on each one to see what it looks like. This is centering it in the middle. This is justifying it evenly distributed, and then justifying it on the right so that the watermark doesn't get in the way. So our name, the date, San Jose Public Library is all on the right side. Next, I'm going to change it to the left side again. Oh, actually, I'm going to press enter or return carriage, and then we're going to click on left justify again. So what I can do here is I can write the title of the document. This is going to be example letter. Write it in the middle. Example letter. Or how about my letter? My letter. And then we're going to press enter again, return carriage, and then left justify it. And right now we're going to press on the tab button, which is on the left hand side of the keyboard. Tab, and then you can see that it moved, the cursor moved from the left hand side to a couple spaces, about 10 spaces worth, 8 to 10 spaces worth of text. And then you can write here, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. And type it again. Practice, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Okay? I'm going to write it over and over again. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the Google search engine, and I'm going to type in lorem ipsum full phrase, and then we're going to click here on the Wikipedia. It's some placeholder text. Lorem ipsum dolor sit amet. This is in Latin, I believe. So we're going to select all of this. Use the left hand side button on the mouse. Select all of this. Right click. Select copy or Control C. Copy or Control C. Okay, we're going to minimize this screen. You can maximize, minimize, or exit out. I'm going to minimize it. And then okay, Microsoft Word again. And I'm going to actually select this text, delete it, delete, backspace, 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 backspace. Select all of this, backspace, delete, and then right click here, merge formatting. There we go. Next, I'm going to press enter again. Next paragraph, you'll see that when you hit the return carriage, we are on the bottom of this paragraph. Hit tab again. Mình nhấn cái tab key. You mình click on the right mouse button. Ở phía phải của cái mouse, and we paste merge formatting here. And one more time, we're going to have 3 paragraphs. Paste again. This time we're going to do Control V for paste. And there we go. There we have it. This is a sample letter with placeholder text. Mình dùng cái Microsoft Word cho viết xuống cái and yeah, I hope this course on Microsoft Word so far is helpful for you. Please let me know in the comments. Comment on x.com or on YouTube or on Facebook, and thank you for tuning in.